Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see how Python code is executed. So before that we will see what is CPython. The Python installation we have done is CPython. Why it is called CPython? Because that is written using C language. So that's why it is called CPython and it is most commonly used Python interpreter. Next point is Python is simple text-based language so that we human can understand. Computers don't understand. So if you check Python code, so here simple English like statements we have written. But this is for developers feasibility. But computers don't understand these statements. So computer understand only machine code, that is binary, that is zeros and ones. Means whatever Python code we have written, it should get converted to machine code. So how this happens we will check. Now we will see how Python program gets executed. So when we run Python program using CPython, first it will compile out Python code into Python bytecode. So this is your Python code. So this is the compiler. CPython is a compiler. So it will compile this code into Python bytecode. So this is intermediate code, and this code is then passed to Python virtual machine, and then Python virtual machine convert that bytecode into machine code, and whatever this machine code generated, so that will get executed by processor. So in this way Python program will get executed. So here I have given conclusion. Compilers convert Python code into portable language called Python bytecode, which is portable language which is not specific to hardware platform like Windows or Mac. Means whatever this intermediate code it has generated, Python bytecode, it is platform independent. Means it is same for all platforms like Mac, Windows. Then PVM does the task of converting Python bytecode to machine code. Means this PVM, that is Python virtual machine, so that converts this bytecode into machine code. So I have given whatever the processing is there in short, right? So in this way Python code is getting executed. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.